Okay, now you are logged in on WordPress. Welcome to WordPress. Then the first thing you need to do, we have to install the theme. So today we're going to use Elementor to build. This tutorial is for beginners, stretch from beginners. So we're gonna add this hello theme. You can use another themes, but I prefer to use this one for this tutorial. For beginners, installing hello theme under appearances, installing hello theme. Yeah, then hello theme is installing. It's installing. This one there install. Let's install hello theme, which is Elementor. The problem is with my connection. Okay, it's installed. Then you activate. Click on activate. Now it's activated. You can customize. Since you already installed the hello theme, it's telling you now to install the Elementor. Okay, let's make it simple. Then we go to plugins. Here, let's dashboard. Then we add new. We add new plugin. We add a new plugin. Then we search for a plugin. We call it Elementor, because we're working with Hello Elementor. Elementor, then click search. Searching for a theme now. Then here's the theme. We install it. You can install this theme with another theme, like for example this one, Elementor Kits. It comes with header, footer, something like templates that you already created. You just need to customize them. You change those things to be in your own if you install this Elementor Kits. And these add-ons too, there are a lot of themes who comes with. There are a lot of plugins. When installing a plugin, this plugin, you can install it too, but the more important is this one, the Elementor website builder. Install it first, then you can move to install this one to get templates and footers and headers to build on. You just need to change those details into your own. Now it's installing, and you can see the rating of this theme is high. It's installing. It's taking too long because I think it's the network connection. Okay, it's installing. Yeah, now it's installed. Then you click on activate. We're activating the theme, the plugin. We're activating a plugin, Hello Elementor. It's activating. Yeah, just skip it. You don't have to create an account. Skip the account. You can give a site your name. This one I call it tutor. And then you skip next. You open, you cite your logo, you add your logo. Then you skip, you add something. Then skip again. Then it's take you straight to Elementor. Okay, now we're here. Now we can just drop and drag here. Then we add something. Maybe we wanna add image. You add the image. Then you customize, you choose the image. You upload the image from your sector. Yeah, that's it. Let's delete this. Text has everything. You have to edit with Elementor. You just drag a widget here. Then we're done. Then you publish. Also, you publish always. Okay, firstly, let's leave this page and go back to dashboard. Let's go back to dashboard. since it's Elementor, I want to show you how to add the one. Now we want to add this plugin with the templates to show you how the templates works. The Elementor is easy. You just need to drop and drag there. It's installing now. It's installing. Let's wait for it to get finished. Let's wait for it to get finished. It's installing the Elements Kit Elementor. It's installing now. Activate. Activated theme. Now they are both activated as Elementor. Then we are gonna go and create a page. Then you add new page. Add a new page. Just click next, 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 and get started. You can name your page. I'll name this one as home page, and make sure you publish. Then edit with Elementor. Then it's take you to Elementor. Then you can see now we come back, we had this thing which is Elements Kit. See the pages, some they are premium and some they are free. So let's wait for it to load. These are the pages, like you just have to edit from them. Let's say you want to create a website for a photographic, or you want to create a page for wedding home. Let's go with this agent's comments. Then you insert. And now it's loading, it's inserting a page. We're inserting the page. We're inserting the page. The page is being inserted. I don't know what's going on with scrapping. Okay, yeah, here we go. Here's the page. Like, it's easy. You can just scroll. That was a template page. Then now we need to change all of this information into our own information. You click here on these 6 dots here, then we'll come here, then we'll customize. Then you can choose to change the image. Let's say we change the image, media library. You're able to upload your images. Okay, let's say you want to go upload an image, select from computer. Then let me choose just any image, let me choose any image. Let me choose this dictionary. Yeah. Then once the image is being uploaded, you have to insert the image. And see now, I uploaded this image. You come to text. I'm able to change text. Header, this is a header. I change it here. Subtitle, I change it here. Delete the header, also the title. It's like this. Then make sure you always publish. You change everything.